Hello, hey y'all. So, welcome back to my channel, Miss Petty, the Tech Lifestyle. I hope you guys are staying positive and keeping the positive energy flowing because that's how we stay grounded. Unfortunately, I'm not keeping my energy positive. It is 3:04 in the morning here today. And I look a mess. I literally got up and I've been in my head tonight with I really do feel a way that my MacBook Pro got lip damage. And that's my main priority because I've been trying to learn a Python, a new language, and there's been some programs that I can't run on my other two computers because of security issues. So with the security issues, I've just been unable to really learn how to utilize Python as a tool with some other programs. And coding with Python is, I've picked up the syntax, like how they would basically assign, basically close out commands, how they would start commands. So that's fine, but as far as utilizing Python as a tool, I haven't been able to. So I'm here at 3 o'clock in the morning to fix my freaking computer because I need this. Like, it's holding me back, and I ain't gonna let that hold me back. I'm gonna just get to my business, chunk them feelings out the way, and get to it. So, y'all, we are about to, my tool bags are not over here. So, we are about to get into it. Got my tools, my hair's a mess, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, I have to go to work at 7 and commute to San Francisco for an hour. So I'll be up all day. Great. Okay. Let's see what we got in this thrifty tool bag here. That just makes it so bright. So, I'm going to drop the link where I bought my logic board from. I'm praying that this is the right logic board. I kind of amped it up on the logic board. So this logic board that I have, well, the one that I had prior, it had an i5 processor. This one has an i7 processor. It also comes with a wider broadband. I think the last one I had was 2.5 or 2.3. This one has 2.8, and the RAM is 16 gigabytes. It was all in total $450, but with tax, shipping, and everything, it came out to be like $5 something. Yeah, I spent $500. No, I spent $500 on this logic board, and then I also spent $250 on the solid state drive that I just purchased. So I literally bought a MacBook recently, you guys. I actually got this MacBook for free, so it's okay. It's okay. But Lord, unfortunately, I don't have a grounding strap, but I'm gonna let you guys watch me repair my MacBook Pro. It's going to lapse because I'm already at a lengthy time of talking, because I had to let you guys know my lifestyle. And yeah, so the tech lifestyle is me being open with my life. I hope you guys like it. Energy. Greasy. Okay, y'all. So it's finally done. Oh, so when I pulled it up, I forgot I set up that other hard drive, that new hard drive that I had. And it pulled up to this. It's on Catalina. So lovely. Well, this night just turned good. I felt a lot better. I can't even talk. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead, set it up, be a happy camper, and go ahead and try and get some rest for tomorrow. Thank y'all for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to my videos, my channel, because I'll be posting weekly. I've gotten onto like a good process, so you guys will be seeing more of me. I have more projects to do, and that's gonna be coming soon. Okay, peace out. Miss Petty, take lifestyle, stay positive, keep your positive energy flowing, and that's how we stay grounded. Deuce, deuce.